What's up, guys? Elevated Angler coming at you from one of my favorite spots. If you're someone that's new to the channel, you don't know, this is Brush Hollow Reservoir. Here several times a year. Got co-host Jack with me on the front of the boat. And we're trying to knock out catching a fish at every body of water in the state of Colorado. First open water trip of the year. Oh, on. Yes, sir. Killing the motor. Feels like a trout. Yep, trout. And just in case that's the only fish for the day, come on, bud. There you have it. Catching a fish at every body of water in Colorado. Oh yeah, he took off happy. Yes, sir. It's a trout, but it's a fish. Alright, motor's back on.
The screen's reading good.
Yeah. I just wish we could get it to read like all the other ones that I see online, bro. Where I can tell that it's fucking grass sticking up or branches or... And again, that was on the Roadrunner. The best, most versatile lure on the freaking planet. Almost said on the state of Colorado. So consistent. I've caught bass with it, I've caught bluegill with it, I've caught perch with it. Walleye, trout obviously. Oh yeah, hit me with a flyover, brother. Oh yeah. Thank you. Woo! That was so cool. Oh, I love my John boat. That's pretty nice too. That's a fish. Nope. Another trout. Better one. A lot more fight. Come on, bud, get back up here. Okay, I'll switch sides. I don't mind. Come on. Yeah. Get in here. Ugh. Oh, and he spit the jig once he got in the net. Oh, that's a better one too. Bro, will you stop? There he is, rainbow number 2. And he gone. Oh my god. Helicopter, helicopter. What the heli? What the heliante? Oh no! Alright guys, Elevated Angler. You know it's not my channel if something dumb doesn't happen. Hey, I'ma fish it too. What's that, the third time this has happened on my channel? Fucking retarded. That's so fucking cool.
I'm still surprised, like they posted that the boat ramp wasn't open, but then there's trailers already packing down.
Yeah.
It's clearly a Ranger and a Wolf. We didn't get yelled at.
I mean, we also didn't use the official boat ramp, so. Oh yeah, I see the smoke now. That's the fire I was talking about at the beginning of the video, guys. Damn. Well, this is where we're gonna come sit to catfish. If we can catch some bait. Jack your rod, your rod, your rod, your rod. Dead ass.
Yeah?
Yes, it just bounced like 6 times hard. Just bouncing on the bottom. Yeah? Motor is off. Net is ready. No, it's not. Net is ready if you need it. There we go. Jack finally got one. Why the fuck am I the net man on my page? Ooh, he's got a... Damn! He's got a decent little fucking scratch down one of his sides.
Oh, he's got a decent headache.
Yeah, now he's got a headache for sure.
Oh god, I'm so sorry. I just told you for the camera. This went south so quick. Let's go. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Almost clean.
It's okay, it's a rainbow trout. They're not even native. Oh yeah. I don't think it's spreading towards us though. It should be spreading with the wind. The wind is coming from that way, so it should be blowing away from us. What?
There's a fish on the bottom.
Yeah, there is. A decent looking fish. Hey, and my jig's down there. Oh my god.
Oh, he's already on it, bro. What's your jig? Might be the anchor.
Yeah, because it does kind of look like we're floating away.
Yeah, it's straight down on.
Pull the anchor up. Yep, that's the anchor. That's funny.
Motor's still on, by the way.
Alright, well, we've got some downtime without the helicopter. I want to let y'all know that this video is sponsored by Dubby. They are the reason that this video was possible, them and my followers on Instagram buying the product. If you want to sponsor my page and help me get across Colorado and fish every body of water in the state of Colorado, head on over to dubby.com and use my code ELEVATED at checkout. Grandpa's denture water or retro sherbert?
I'm gonna do the
Some denture water?
denture water, yeah. I'm gonna dry scoop. Only up a little though.
Yes, sir. Best sour candy you've ever had. Yeah, I don't recommend dry scooping.
Painful.
You said that was painful. Oh. Yep. Crappie.
Really?
Crappie.
Big crappie. Keep him in the water. Keep him in the water. Keep him in the water.
Bro, get him, Jack, get it! Oh my god! I was keeping him in the water, he spit it in the water.
Did he?
Damn it!
Oh no. Big crappie.
Damn.
We're having this deployed now. Don't let me net. Fight the fish.
I was gonna let you net. You were taking too long. Plus, I'm used to fishing by myself. I've been having to do that a lot lately. Just me and Diamond in the boat.
Yeah, that was a good crappie.
That was a decent crappie out of here. That was probably a 10-incher. On the freaking Roadrunner, I keep telling y'all, the freaking Roadrunner is goated. Thing is ridiculous. Fucking Jack. Fucking Jack. There. Where are you stuck at? In the tree? Huh?
Yeah. Got branch moving?
Great.
Gotta go underneath that side there.
This is what happens when you get my $25 fucking jerkbait stuck. You gotta turn into a little monkey man. You alright? Did you say you stabbed your dick? Hey, you wanna know the worst part? I wasn't even watching you when you fell. Oh, that's funny. Are your feet okay? There we go, now we got both helicopters coming in fucking unison. Where'd the second one go? I just saw both of them. Baby, penitentiary. Oh shit. You guys see why I made him my co-host? He makes fishing entertaining. Full steam ahead, Captain. Oh, that's great. Oh, there's 3 helicopters. Damn, look at how black that smoke is, Jack. Oh my goodness.
I feel like it's doing
God damn, yeah, there's nothing but weeds over this way. Oh, hey, that's a fish. Hey, a bass! Come here, bud. Right in the top lip. Ow! Ow! Okay. His teeth are kind of sharp. There we go. Little bass. Well, that's how I know that they're eating on bait fish and not crawfish. Because if he was eating crawfish, his teeth wouldn't have been that sharp. From the, or on the boat.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick. Oh, that's sick. Holy shit. No way. No way. I stopped. Oh my god, bro, that's sick. Woo. That's sick, bro. Oh god. I can't fight him. That's so fucking cool, bro. That's the screenshot, or the... That's so cool. Send me that. That was fucking sick. I got him. Might need the net drop though. Fuck it. Oh god! Oh god! Okay. We finally caught a decent fucking largie, people. Finally. Huh? Finally. Oh shit. We finally got a decent largie. And this is my series, Catching a Fish at Every Body of Water in Colorado. We're at Brush Hollow Reservoir. This is part 17, I believe, in this series, and we're gonna get him back in. There he goes. When you think you're the coolest person at the lake and then this guy pulls up. Hell yeah. Oh. Hell yeah. a spot. He's got the rough patch on his tongue. That is a spotted bass, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if you can hear me over the helicopter, but hell yeah, bro. Oh my God. I don't know if that one was the rod holder or the actually got a fish. On? Yes, sir. Crappie. Got him. Yes, sir. Crappie. Oh God, he's heavy. Oh God, Brandon. I got it. Don't you worry. Don't you worry your pretty little face, Jack. Captain Brandon's got you. Little slabs. What, the waves? Yep, that's the one place the V-hole does better. Yes, sir. There we go. Another species. Beautiful. Look at that little slab.
You're right.
Yep. Oh, he came. Nope. Missed.
We'll keep him on.
There we go. That feels like another crappie. Woo! Nope. Damn it, you threw my tail off. Bad rainbow trout. Bad. Threw my tail off. Look at that. Oh God, that's a fish. Crappie. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We'll take those all day, every day, baby. I thought you were handing them to me.
There's a fish though.
Slabs, baby. Straight slabs. That's a 10-inch. Oh, that's like a 12, 13, yeah.
No fish for harm than making it.
And that's going on the TikTok. We're on another one, baby. Right over here at the inlet. No, it's not. And that looked like a trout, I'm not gonna lie. That was silver. Or at least it looked silver. Bro, are you gonna come up? I don't know. Yep.
Oh my God. Why is he fighting?
He's just pissed.
What kind of stuff? That's like the exact same size stuff we've been catching all day long. That one, because I didn't see him. I couldn't see or tell what it was when he jumped over here.
Thanks, Jackie Poo.
But he sounded like he was big.
Damn, he's got some fucking girth on him.
is healthy.
Jack said, "Oh, big bass."
Dude, I thought it was, bro. Did you hear him jump?
Yeah.
Did you hear him jump? Like
He was noisy for
you heard
damn
that- you
sure.
heard that kapoop?
Yep.
I was like, oh, that's got weight, dude.
Alright, y'all, that's it for this one. If you liked it, make sure that you like, share, and follow. And as always, stay elevated.